No longer confined to the realm of science fiction, humanoid robots are becoming a tangible reality. With cutting-edge advancements in robotics and AI, 2024 is shaping up to be a landmark year for innovation. In this video, we'll introduce some of the most fascinating female humanoid robots poised to make their debut in the coming year. Before we delve into the specifics, let's briefly review what humanoid robots are. These machines are designed to resemble human beings in shape, functionality, or both. Our focus today is on female humanoid robots, those crafted to look, sound, and interact in ways that closely mirror women. Equipped with artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, and sophisticated sensors, these robots can perform a range of human-like tasks, from providing customer service to engaging in genuine conversation. These machines are becoming more refined, realistic, and practically useful than ever before. Let's take a look at the latest innovations in female humanoid robots and why they're gaining so much attention. First up, let's talk about some of the most cutting-edge female humanoid robots. These robots are pushing the limits of artificial intelligence, robotics, and human-robot interaction. 1. Amika by Engineered Arts. Amika is developed by Engineered Arts. Amika is an incredibly lifelike humanoid robot designed with cutting-edge motion capabilities. What makes Amika stand out is her incredibly realistic facial expressions and movements. Unlike previous robots, Amika's face can show a wide range of emotions, from surprise to confusion, making her interactions feel more authentic. Amika is set to become even more responsive, capable of responding to a wider range of human emotions and actions. The main goal for Amika's future is to create a robot that can work seamlessly in customer service, healthcare, or even entertainment, where human-like interaction is key. 2. Nadine by NUS, National University of Singapore. Nadine is designed to be a humanoid robot with social intelligence, aiming to assist in various service sectors, such as healthcare and hospitality. In 2024, Nadine is set to get a series of improvements, including better facial recognition software and more personalized interaction capabilities. Nadine's main strength lies in her ability to remember past interactions, making her the perfect candidate for roles that require personalized service, such as in nursing homes or hotels. 3. Sophia by Hanson Robotics. Sophia, one of the most famous humanoid robots in the world, continues to evolve. Developed by Hanson Robotics, Sophia has already captured the world's attention with her lifelike appearance, ability to engage in meaningful conversations, and even her citizenship status in Saudi Arabia. In 2024, Sophia is set to get an upgrade with even more advanced AI and natural language processing capabilities. Sophia's ability to mimic human facial expressions is getting more refined, allowing for even more natural interactions. The upgrade will also focus on improving emotional responses, enabling her to understand and replicate empathy. This is a huge leap forward in human-robot interaction, allowing robots like Sophia to engage more meaningfully with people. Advances in AI and robotics for female humanoid robots. So what makes these female humanoid robots so special in 2024? It's not just their appearance, it's the way they think and interact with humans. Advances in artificial intelligence are revolutionizing the capabilities of these robots, allowing them to perform tasks that once seemed impossible. 1. Natural language processing, NLP, and communication skills. One of the most significant advancements in 2024 is the improvement in natural language processing, or NLP. This allows humanoid robots to understand and respond to human speech with a level of fluidity that we've never seen before. Imagine talking to a robot and feeling like you're speaking with another person. That's what companies are aiming for. NLP allows these robots to understand context, tone, and even humor, something that was difficult for robots just a few years ago. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities, especially in customer service, education, and therapy. 2. Emotional intelligence and empathy. In addition to NLP, emotional intelligence is another critical component of humanoid robots. For female humanoid robots, this is especially important. These robots are becoming more adept at recognizing human emotions through facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language. This emotional awareness allows them to react appropriately. Imagine a robot who not only understands your words, but can also sense when you're sad or anxious and respond accordingly with empathy. It's a step forward in creating robots that don't just interact with us, but truly connect with us on a deeper level. 3. Advanced movement and dexterity. Another breakthrough for humanoid robots is advanced movement and dexterity. Robotic bodies are becoming more flexible and capable of performing complex movements. For example, robots can now move in ways that are indistinguishable from humans, performing tasks like carrying objects, dancing, or even doing household chores. These advancements are largely driven by improvements in actuators and motors that allow robots to perform human-like tasks with precision. This is especially important in applications like healthcare or elderly care, where robots might assist with physical tasks such as helping patients get in and out of bed or providing assistance with mobility. The humanization of robots. Female humanoid robots are often designed to appear more approachable, relatable, and empathetic. Historically, female figures have been associated with caregiving roles, which is why many humanoid robots are designed with female features to promote a sense of comfort and trust. This is particularly important in industries like healthcare, customer service, and education, where empathy and understanding are key. However, this trend also raises ethical questions. Are we reinforcing traditional gender roles by making robots look like women in these caregiving roles? Should robots be gendered at all, or is it time to consider non-gendered humanoid robots for more neutral applications? Breaking gender norms with technology. On the flip side, female humanoid robots can help challenge societal norms and push boundaries. By having women represented as powerful, intelligent, and capable machines, we can start to reshape the way we view gender and technology. Robots don't have to conform to the same limitations and stereotypes that people do, so designing female robots to perform complex tasks beyond caregiving, like leading teams in workplaces or representing authority in government, could be an important step in promoting gender equality in technology. Thanks for watching today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible advancements in female humanoid robots, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, share your thoughts below. What excites you the most about the future of humanoid robots? Let's talk about it in the comments. Until next time, take care and keep innovating.